Hey everybody, welcome back to the shop. This is Todd with Industrial Comfort. Have you ever been working on a project where you have a tenon that you're going to use a wedge joint for and you just can't get that perfect cut? Well, today I'm going to show you how to get that with nothing more than a piece of scrap wood and a drill bit. Let me show you how to do it. For this jig I'm using a piece of 2x6, and the reason that I chose a 2x6 is because the tenons are pretty tall that I need to cut the slot in for the wedge joint. Now, if your tenons are a lot shorter or smaller than this, you could probably get away with a piece of plywood. Now, the first thing I'm going to do is cut a slot in this 2x6. So I'm roughly eyeballing about half the distance of this, the width of this board. Again, it doesn't have to be very precise. And I'm only going to go a couple of inches in. Now, these tenons are 1.25 inches, so I want to probably come down at least 2 inches in order to ensure that we've got enough clearance for the next step, which is going to be drilling a hole through the center of the slot that we're cutting now. So we'll turn this saw on and we'll get cutting. And that's it. So let's go ahead and drill the hole. Now, as I mentioned, the tenons that I need to cut the slot in are 1.25 inches. So I have 1.25 inch bit in the press. I'm just gonna raise it up a little bit. And I'm gonna find the center point, and I'm just gonna choose a point a decent amount in from the edge. It doesn't have to be all the way to the end. And I'm gonna center it, and then we're going to drill a hole. We've got the block, we got it cut and drilled. Now we're gonna leave the fence as is, and I've got the reason that I didn't round these legs over yet is because I want to make sure that the slots that we cut in these tenons for the wedge joint are all going to be unidirectional. And so I want to line up all of these legs going the same direction. So I'm going to push the tenon into this little jig. And I've got a piece of wood to orient against the fence. And I'm just going to turn the saw on and we're going to run this through. And there we go. Insanely easy with perfect results every time, with nothing more than what you already have laying around in the shop. If you found this helpful, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Thanks for watching.